Now we are in Soma Wine Village run by Regenta in Nasik. A beautiful property. Kids got super happy because we are joined by my sister Jaiti and Kuldeep and their little one Tatvam. So Aro and Tatvam got along, played a lot. A beautiful one run by Regenta, and now we are headed for some wine testing. Look at this, how beautiful, how beautiful. It's so beautiful. We have come here at the Soma Vineyard wine testing and tour. So this is Soma wine making unit. We are here for wine testing and tour. So this barrel is of oak tree barrel for wine aging, and all this process took place in this food grade stainless steel. This is for the white wine.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So the first thing is we never taste a wine. Okay, something is off. There are high chances, high probability people around you will feel the same. It's because a food can be made bad. But when it comes to wine, if you say it's bad for you, then there are high chances the person standing next to you may say that, oh no, I like this wine, I love this wine. It doesn't mean that either of you are wrong. It means that the wine is the flavor or the aromas or anything the wine is trying to portray. You are quite sensitive to those. That's why you cannot accept those particular flavor aroma. And it's nothing wrong with you. Maybe it's just how the flavor palette works. So the appreciation of the wine begins with how you hold your wine glasses. The white wine which you all have is supposed to be served from 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. The roses are supposed to be served from 8 to 10. The red is supposed to be served from 15 to 18. And the fruit is supposed to be served from 10 to 12. So the wine which is cool is eventually going to develop due to the room's temperature, and your hand, if you place the hand like this, is going to act like a stove for the wine, accelerating the development process. So that's why we always hold the wine glass by this step. So remember the 4 F's: see, swirl, sniff and sip. We see, we check the intensity, clarity and the color. You can put it under a light source or under a white surface or anywhere. Then what you do the second S where you swirl, which looks somewhat like this. So this is what we call the wine is running inside the glass. So that's why after you do this swirling motion, you see I'm creating a whirlpool. This whirlpool must be created. If it's tough when your hand is suspended in the air, there's another way. You can place the glass at the bottom over here, hold it like a pen or a pencil and draw a circle vigorously. Now after you do that, then smell. Dive your nose deep inside the glass.
So since we are in Nasik, we thought we must visit to Sula Vineyard. We cannot miss this opportunity. So now me and Kuldeep have come to Sula Vineyard. Let me just tell you, if you want to just have a tour, you will have to pay at least 2,000 rupees for 2 people. So it's 1,000 per person. Here is Sula Vineyard, you can see. Kuldeep. Okay, this is like a photo point at Sula. When you come, there are so many huge bottles of Sula wines. You can take pictures here. And as you see, this whole thing, it's a restaurant and testing center, and this is a walkway nicely done with solar panels. We had a good trip, nahi?
Absolutely.
Soma, we had a good trip. Sula का भाई Soma. But we thought यार आया अच्छे तो सुखा रही थी.
Absolutely.
पाया को कई जाएगा सुला न था क्या? अब आई गया 1000 रुपया खर्ची ना. बताओ तुमने सुला. So this is a way towards restaurant testing. See how nicely, beautifully done. You listen to some music. There are several selfie points like this. If you are coming to Nasik, you could plan to spend couple of hours at Sula. But let me tell you, staying here is really expensive. It's quite expensive, and I've never seen rooms available ever whenever I've checked. So we are staying at Soma Wine Village, which is also equally beautiful but little smaller, but very nice, very affordable, and absolutely fun. This is Sula Vineyard that you are seeing on your screen. Beautiful evening sky with clouds and a lake. If you happen to be in Nasik or somewhere around, must visit Sula, or a property somewhere around, and come to Sula for testing or exploring this place, so that when you are back home, people don't ask you, oh, you went to Nasik and didn't go to Sula.